Hello guys, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like this video. This video is related to presentation on memory units. This video is very interesting. Let's start the video. Introduction. In computing, memory refers to the physical devices used to store programs, sequences of instructions or data, e.g., program state information on a temporary or permanent basis for use in a computer or other digital electronic device. Types of memory. There are two types of memory. They are primary or main memory and second memory. Types of memories: CPU register, cache, level 1, level 2, RAM, physical RAM, virtual RAM. Storage devices types: ROM, removable drivers, network storage, hard drive. Input sources: keyboard, mouse, removable media, remote stores, hoster source, and others etc. Memory or main memory. Main memory is divided into two parts. Random access memory RAM should be better known as read write memory or WM, read only memory ROM. Random access memory RAM. A RAM memory chip is an integrated circuit IC made of millions of transistors and capacitors. RAM is volatile memory, which means that it requires a steady flow of electricity to mail contents. As soon as the power is turned on, data was in RAM is lost. Types of RAM. Static RAM. Semiconductor memory uses flip-flop to store each bit of memory, so does not need to be periodically refreshed. Fast and consumes low power. Expensive and has complex structure, 6 transistors, so not used for high capacity applications. Dynamic RAM stores each bit of memory in capacitor in an integrated circuit. Real capacitors leak charge, so capacitors need to be refreshed periodically. Simple structure: one capacitor and one transistor per bit, so it has very high density. Read only memory ROM. New contents cannot be added, used to store the instructions of routine type, permanent in nature, and used to control or supervise the hardware. Types of ROM. Programmable read-only memory PROM, programmed to record the information using a facility PROM programmer. Once the information is recorded, it cannot be changed. Erasure programming read-only memory EPROM. Information can be erased and chip can be reprogrammed to record different information using PROM programmer. Information is erased using UV radiations. It is of two types: ultraviolet erasable programmable read-only memory and electrically alterable programmable read-only memory. Electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Memory is erased by electrical signals, provides easy means to store temporary or permanent information in the form of ROM memory. EEPROM is just like a flash memory. Flash memory is a special type of EEPROM that can be erased and pre-programmed in blocks instead of one byte at a time. Cache memory. faster and expensive than RAM. It improves the computer's performance and is less than 512 KB. Processor can use it to store frequently accessed data and programs instructions. It is of two types, L1 primary cache inside microprocessor and L2 secondary cache in the motherboard or near the microprocessor. Flash memory. Flash memory is an electronic volatile computer storage medium that can be electrically erased and reprogrammed. Introduced by Toshiba in 1984, flash memory was developed from EEPROM, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. There are two main types of flash memory which are named after the NAND and NOR logic gates. The internal characteristics of the individual flash memory cells exhibit characteristics similar to those of the corresponding gates. Secondary memory. History of secondary memory. The Selectron tube had a capacity of 256 to 4096 bits, 32 to 512 bytes. The 4096-bit Selectron was 10 inches long and 3 inches wide. Originally developed in 1946, the memory storage device proved expensive and suffered from production problems, so it never became a less. I hope you would like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.